Hey guys, it's time to unbox the second generation of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, the J7 Prime 2 2018. So just picked it up for about $270 and yeah, this is an update to the original Galaxy J7 Prime. We got all the specifications at the back of the phone. So it's having the metal build and a 13 megapixel camera on the back, which is probably the same as before, but a 13 megapixel camera on the front, which is an upgrade from the 8 megapixel front camera that we had on the previous model. And of course, fingerprint scanner and 32 gigs of internal storage. Let's take off this rubber band, cut the plastic from one side. Okay. Got one more seal, and here we go. We have the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2 up front. Again, it's a very similar packaging as before. But I can definitely see a little bit change to the navigation keys. I don't know if you can see it through camera, but yeah, they do look similar to the current software navbar keys we have with the latest phone. So we're gonna take a look at this phone. Let's see the accessories first. So we got the quick start guide, and then the usual stuff such as the headphones, USB cable, which is the USB 2.0 cable. It's not Type-C, and a normal Samsung charger. So this is not gonna fast charge your phone. We still have to wait to see the first ever fast charging J series phone, which we will see in the future pretty soon. So let's get rid of this plastic. Okay, there we have the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2 2018. Again, we got that same metal feel on this phone. It's in this matte black color. It's still looking pretty solid. We got that same button placement, the power key on the right, the speaker at the top right as well. The headphone jack and the charging port can be seen on the bottom, and volume rocker on the left. Let's quickly boot this phone up, and of course, this is not your Infinity design. It's still that old Samsung design with the home button that doubles as the fingerprint scanner as well. Alright, welcome. So the phone is on, and alright, setting up the fingerprint scanner, and we are done with the setup. As you can see, the beautiful home screen is here. Swipe to the left. Okay, the Bixby is here. I don't think that the previous model had the Bixby, so that is something new. And if we jump into the settings, scrolls all the way down, go to software information, you can see this is, oh my god, it's not even Oreo. I actually expected Oreo, but it is still running the Nougat with the Bixby, so that's a bit disappointing. And again, like I said, the specs are the same, but that's a little disappointing. But we do have those new navbar key looks. This one is like the multitasking key, and the back key, they have been updated, a little bit changed. The fingerprint scanner also feels pretty fast. Now, it's not Oreo, but we still have our full Samsung Experience UI features. You got your theme engine, folder, bunch of other features, one-handed mode, multi-window. Dual messenger feature is also there, which allows you to use two separate accounts for the same application. So nothing majorly changed. Like I said, there's been some software changes. The navbar key look has been changed. The Bixby is here. The only hardware change we have with this phone is actually with the camera. So the front camera has been bumped to 13 megapixel, and you can see features such as the selfie focus. The back camera is still 13 megapixels, so you can record videos up to 1080p. That's the maximum option. We still got a 3300 mAh battery. So yeah guys, a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2018. It's just a small increment upgrade over the Galaxy J7 Prime, the old one. Pretty much everything is the same. We got a new look with the touch keys. We got Bixby, and there's improvement to the front camera. Hopefully, we will see the Galaxy J8 2018 series really soon. The Infinity design, that will be the first Infinity design Galaxy J series phone. So it is expected sometime in the month of May. Have a lot of fun with that. But right now, Samsung just released this phone out of nowhere. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.